Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is Umar with you, right? And this is what we have been saying about. This is what we have been talking about. And this is what happens on the top or bottom. It was pure profit booking, and we saw what happened. Banknifty tanked more than 450 points. Nifty tanked more than 250 points. It was bloodbath all over the place, right? So everybody was in huge loss. Not huge loss if you are an investor, if you had invested in the top, you would have been in loss, but not to worry. It is not going to, market is not going to crash, or market is not going to come down. In fact, there is a conspiracy theory now. People are talking about coronavirus, right? Karnataka has put a notice that every senior citizen should wear a mask, and even Kerala has put a notice. We are in Tamil Nadu, we are having whole different problem. There are lots of rain now in southern district. There is lots of rain in southern district. Before it was Chennai, now it is in southern district of Tamil Nadu, right? So markets are likely to be choppy. I think even tomorrow we are going to see downward movement. What is going to be the move? What is going to be the trajectory? What is going to be the target? What is going to be Nifty's target tomorrow or day after tomorrow? What is going to be Banknifty's target tomorrow or day after tomorrow is what we are going to see in this video. So make sure you stream this video fully. And let me tell you, before I start this video, we have a webinar on 6th of January, which is going to be a Saturday. So it is going to be about expiry day trading. So if you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below, right? Now markets were really jittery, right? I was expecting this wall. Nothing wrong in this wall, but I was expecting this gap at least for 47,500 to be sustained, and that's what I told in yesterday's video. But I was surprised. Last 5 minutes, we can see last 5 or 20 minutes, market was so brutal. It even took out 47,000. Not a single. It was complete disaster. Like, bears were in full force, and it was bulls were not even any rise in the market was taken out decisively by the bears. And look at the green candles and red candle. Look at this red candle. This red candle alone moved 133 points in 5 minutes. You imagine, let's say this candle is having 47,800. Since this is an expiry, let's say this is, today is Bank Nifty expiry. Let's say you have written 47,800 call option, put option. You would have sold it for 30 rupees, or let's say 15 rupees or 25 rupees. You know, this 130 one candle would have made that 47,800 put option from going from 35 rupees to maybe even 100 rupees, or even not even 100 rupees, 150 rupees, or even 200 rupees. That is 6x or 7x doubling, right? So how do you manage this kind of move? It is really tough to manage this kind of market, and I can tell you it is very hard. Markets moving like this, and India VIX is shot up more than 4.18%. That's what we say always. When market goes, it goes on stairs. When it comes down, it comes on lift, right? That is what is happening. The brutality, the market, the way it was falling, very hard. And look at this candle, last minute candle, around 325 candle, that alone dropped around 162 points. Nothing would have done. Had you done some, let's say hypothetically you are having some trade on that candle, nothing you would have done, nothing could have done on that day, on that particular today, on that particular candle. That was the brutality in the Bank Nifty. Anyway, this is all expected. I'm not complaining about the market. I'm not saying market is very bad. Markets are cyclical, and this is what we have been saying for last 1 week, and last 1 week market has not moved anywhere at all. It was sideways, it was choppy, we were experiencing volatility, and today bears proved that they are still alive, right? And in fact, Bank Nifty, as I told you, I expected 47,500 to be held, and that also was taken decisively. Bears were so strong. In fact, today's low was, I believe, around 47,202, right? So we'll see how things work out. And let me tell you, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Let's say if US market is closing in the green, this guys will, whoever you imagine, whether it is retailers or whether it is FIIs or whether it is institutions or whether it is HNI or whether it is ultra HNIs, they will try to take the market on the higher side. People will believe, okay, everything is fine, market has corrected, they will buy, they will short. This is what is going to happen. So what I believe, this is not the correct dip to, what I'm trying to say is, this is not the correct dip to buy the market. You can buy the market is not going to go anywhere. You can buy around 46,500 levels or below 47,000 in terms of Banknifty. That is what I would say. And in terms of Nifty, I can say Nifty also, both Nifty and Banknifty took out the gap which was made on 14th of December. And I have been saying this regularly, whenever there is a gap formation, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty or any indices, that gap will be filled. Gaps are very, very dangerous. That's what I am saying. You don't think otherwise, okay? Gaps are very, very dangerous. Be very, very careful, right? So in terms of Nifty, what I can say is, I'm seeing somewhere around 20,500. The gap which was formed on, if you see, December 4th, there was a huge gap. 1st of December, Nifty closed at around 20,267 levels. Next day, it opened at 20,600 levels. So gap up of around 400 points. So this gap is going to be a very, very strong gap. For any reason, for one or other reason, if the market continues to come on the downside, we may see a strong resistance at 20,500. And in terms of Banknifty, we are seeing very, very strong resistance, support at 46,500 or 46,500 levels, right? So market is not going to go anywhere. It is going to be choppy. It is going to be it is going to come on the downside. That is for 100% sure. That's what I told in yesterday's video also. 200% Banknifty and Nifty is not going to go and hit 21,500. When I told yesterday, Nifty was at around 21,400 levels, just 50 points away. In fact, it gapped up today, touched 21,500. And immediately, you know what happened? Bears were super aggressive. They took the market like anything, right? And there is going to be a long way down. We are going to see a downward trajectory, and you have to see, let's give you an indicator perspective. If you see the Nifty, let's say Nifty for example, RSI is just still in overbought region. So at least it has to come around 47 or 50 levels, then it might go. Now if Nifty and Banknifty goes on the higher side, RSI is not going to go on the higher side. That will create a negative divergence and market will further fall on the downside. So wait for RSI to cool down, wait for Nifty and Banknifty to cool down, then you can buy the dips. But this is not the time to buy the dips, right? So be careful. That is what I want to say time and again. Be very careful, and before doing anything, think twice or thrice what you are doing. And in terms of, let me show you, in terms of our P&L, we made a profit of around 23,027 rupees today, which is around 0.86%. So this month alone, till now, we are at somewhere around 4.50%. So if you are following us on social media, Twitter, Telegram and YouTube community, you must be knowing how much we made, right? And in terms of US markets are all in the green, all in the red. In fact, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the red. So we'll follow suit. We'll see how things work out. So my thing is, if the market gaps up, don't try to buy this gap. Bears are very strong. They are having a strong foothold. they will try to bring the market on the downside. They will try to short this market. You have to short this market. That is the wise thing you will have to do. And if even if you are trying to go long in nifty about 21,500, that will be the wise thing. Don't try to go long now thinking that this is a dip, right? We have we have a big downside. That is what I'm trying to say. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.